Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Let's Code Duke Nukem, where we aim to recreate the original EGA action platformer, released in 1991. Last episode we added the final obstacle in level 1, the spinning blue reactor, and now Duke is able to reach the exit of the level and head over to the hallway that connects to level 2. So for today we will add that exit and load up the intermission level, and we'll also award several bonuses if Duke has earned any of them, and display those during the intermission. Alright, let's get out of here. And we are back at the Duke 1 level format on moddingwiki.shikari.net. Shout out to them for figuring all this stuff out. And yeah, let's find the tile code for the exit door. So here it is already, 3011. So let's add that to our level loading code. So let's figure out the spot here. There we go, case 3011. And let's do the exit the same as we did for the bridge. Let's pass in the level now. And yeah, we should not copy any tiles, so copy no tiles, because the tile copying will be done in this create function. And let's temporarily set our start location to I, so that we spawn near the exit. So let's subtract the level width so that we spawn at the correct spot here. Yeah, and let's create a new class. And it's an active class here. And yeah, let's extend active. Let's create a constructor. Let's set a width, because the exit is 2 times a tile size in width. And the same in height. And yeah, public static exit create int x, int y. And let's get a reference to the level, so that we can update some tiles here and there. So row is x divided by the tile size, and the column, sorry, the row is y and the column is x. There we go. So what we need to do is, because the exit is in door in the background of 2x2 tiles, so we need to set these background tiles so that the GFX class can draw them, kind of like this lock here, so that it is sitting in the background. So what we'll do for that is we'll make a public static final int, I don't know, just exit door tile ID. And then let's go to the lock, and let's take this value here. And let's add 1. All right. So the tile ID for the level on the XY position is actually the bottom left. So let's see, row should then start 1 row above. So let's subtract 1 here, and then let's say level set tile row column, and then exit door tile ID. So this is top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. And then here we'll just do +1, +2, and +3. And then here, return new exit x, y minus tile size, because we have to move it up because of this statement here. Okay, so the level will create the exit in the background. Let's have an update method. We don't need a render method, because rendering will then happen in the foreground, and we just want this door to be in the background. So yeah, if we run the game, I think Duke should spawn right next to the exit. And now there's a gap in the level, because now we can actually go into our GFX class and draw in the door. So let's do that. So let's add an else if tile ID is greater than or equal to the exit tile ID. And it should be less than the exit plus 16. Now why 16? Well, because if we take a look here in the anim class, we can see that this door has 4 tiles per frame, and then it has 4 frames of animation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 And then we can just say image is assets get anim, and then the tile index is going to be tile ID minus the exit door tile ID. And then we need to know the offset. So this, this is the frame in the single animation, but we of course need to know where in this anim file this guy is located. So it's located to the right of the explosion. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 frames to the right of an explosion. So let's take a look at explosion. And then 8 frames to the right of 92 makes 100. So here we need to do 100 plus. Okay, so now if we rerun the game, then here we have an exit door in the background. All right, so let's get this guy opening and closing. So what we'll do is we'll just keep a state. So we have closed, which is the default state, opening and closing. And yeah, let's keep a state here and a frame counter. So the state is closed, frame is 0. Here we can switch state. So when it's closed, we want to check if Duke is interacting with this guy. So we'll do that in just a second. When it's opening, we just want to open the door. And the same with closing, but then the other way around. Close the door. And let's do it for, I guess we can just pass in the state. Should be fine. All right, so then we have a private void open. And we have a private void close. So here we need to add frame, and here we need to decrement frame. And then we can say if a frame is exactly 3, so that's the fourth because it's 0, 1, 2, 3. Then we can say state should be closing. And then here we can say if frame is exactly 0, then the state should be closed. And then all we got to do is set the correct tiles in the background, opening and close, like the correct animation frames here. So now we have this one here, and then depending on the frame, we just need to set these tiles in the background. So let's put this in a static little method, I suppose. So we'll make a private static void update level or something. Row goal, and then int tile ID. So update door or something, and then in the level, then we can move this over to here. And I'm guessing if we just do XY here, okay, and then here we can say update door level X divided by tile size, Y divided by tile size, and then int world Y is Y minus the tile size. So this will be world Y. And then this can also be world Y. And then this is going to be the exit door tile ID. And then here we can just say tile ID. All right. And then here all we got to do is when we close, we can say update door state get level X, Y, and then the tile ID is going to be the exit door tile ID plus the frame times 4. And then the same goes here. All right, so now all we got to do is be able to trigger it. So that is what we need to do here in the closed state. So let's void check. We'll just do it like this. Check state. It's a bit of a random name. Doesn't really say what you're doing here, so we might rename this. So if Duke is using, and the x of the x position of the exit should be less than or equal to Duke x, and x plus the width should be greater than, so extra parentheses, greater than or equal to Duke x, Duke width, and hold up. Yeah, this is correct. Okay, and then same for the y. So the y should be less than Duke y. And the y plus the height should be greater than or equal to Duke y plus Duke height. Okay. So this is if Duke is in front of the door and pressing the use key. Then we can set the state to opening. Then it will open up. And then it will close. All right, so let's see if it works. All right, so looks like I've completely messed it up here because of this here. Yeah. And then here we should not do these divisions anymore because we do that here. Let's get rid of these parentheses. Okay, let's take a look. Is the door there? It's there, and let's press open. Okay, it doesn't fully close. I guess we should update after the frame updates. I guess that makes a bit more sense. Yeah, now the door opens and closes. Okay, so now that the exit can open and close, we should move on to the next level. Now, the way that the levels are structured in Duke Nukem is that every level is preceded by a intermission level, like a hallway, except for the first level. And that is level 2 in our Duke Nukem file format here. So world AL1, this is level 1, and then this is the intermission screen. So then we need to move on to world 3, and then we need to go back to world 2, and then to world 4, and then 2, 5, 2, 6, etc., etc. So if we want this level class to also be able to represent the intermission hallways, we should keep track of the next level to go to. So let's add a new field called next, and let's add it as a constructor parameter here. So a number next tiles backdrop, and then we'll have the get number here. So here we'll do get next. And then in the resource loader, we need to also know which level comes after the one that we're reading up in here. So then here at the very start of the game, so level 1 is followed always by intermission, and then we go to level number 3, world 3 here. All right, so now the game knows which level to load up next. Then let's go to the game state. And let's see, resetting the level, of course, level, just copy over. All right, so here we have a switch level, and then here I guess we can say public void next level. And then I guess like go to next level, something like that. So if the current level number is exactly 2, then this is the intermission hallway. Then that means we should load up switch level to loader.read level. So level number is level get next, and then the level after the next is going to be level +1. That is this here. So this will load up the level after the intermission. So if we are in any other level, we need to go to the actual intermission level. So loader, read level 2, and then we need to keep the next level because that has already been defined. So let's see, can we... I guess we can, yeah, let's just try out if this works. So then we'll go to our exit class here, and then when the door closes and he goes to frame 0, then we can say state, go to the next level. All right, so let's see. So let's move on. Okay, we're in the intermission level. And then this is level 2, I guess. And we're spawning at the exit at the moment to speed up our testing here. Back at the intermission, level 4. Level 5, 6, 7, 8, level 9, level 10, and then I think level 11 is the one where we fight Dr. Proton. Yeah, so there is no exit here. So that's why we spawn at the top left of the level. So yeah, this is the last level in terms of gameplay for the first episode. So yeah, the level switching works. All right, so now that we can exit the level, we should assign some bonuses to the player when he exits. Now, the bonuses are present in the numbers file, so let's first dump that to disk to take a look at what we're working with here. And let's run them. All right, so here we have our numbers, and then here we have all kinds of bonus boxes. Now we have 7 different bonuses ranging from not losing any health in a level to destroying all enemies of a certain type, such as the cameras or the bunny bots that we have not seen yet, but we will in a future level. Yeah, so when you exit the level, the game should check which bonuses did you earn, and it should award you with these bonuses and display them as an effect. So let's first make the effect here. So let's go to our score effect. Let's duplicate this guy. And let's, yeah, take in the bonus. Now the bonus will, I guess we'll just give it a number. And then we can say the tile index should switch to, like, which number did we have? So we had, I guess we should make it an enum. That's a bit better. So let's, yeah. We need a class where we track our bonuses anyway, so let's create a bonus class and let's give it a public enum type. Now, like I said, we had 7 bonuses. So the first one is all the cameras destroyed, not losing any health, making all the Acme signs drop, destroying all missiles. We cannot do that one yet. Collecting all the Duke letters in the correct order. We can do that. Destroying all the snake bots. Cannot do that just yet. And destroying all the bunny bots. And like I said, we cannot do that either because we have not implemented those just yet. Okay, so these are the various different types of bonuses. So let's add to the effect here, bonus.type, type, and then let's switch type, and then the tile index. So if we go back to the numbers PNG, we need to know this one here, just number 1. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's 14. So depending on the tile type, so the we don't have to switch because we can just say the type.ordinal and then 14 plus the type ordinal times 4 because we have 4 tiles per bonus, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's the tile index here. And then let's draw the correct tile. So int tile index is this tile index plus frame %2. And then we need to draw 2 tiles. Get number tile index. And we need to do tile index plus 2. And then off to the right here. Okay, so I think this should draw the correct bonus depending on which bonus type you've added as an effect. All right, so Let's see. Let's keep track of whatever bonus that we've earned. And so what we'll do is in our bonus class here, where is it here? We'll add a method that says like public boolean is earned some type. And let's for the start just say that we've earned them all. So then what we can do in the game state when we go to the next level here, if we read up the intermission hallway here, then we want to display the bonuses that the player has earned. So here what we can do is we can just loop each different bonus type, bonus type, bonus type values. And then we can check if I guess we need to keep track of the bonuses in the game state. Private bonus. And bonus is a new bonus. And then here we can say if this bonus is earned type, then we want to add effect new bonus effect, and the X is going to be Duke X and the Y is going to be Duke. I guess we need to, because we can have more. So int Y equals Duke Y plus 100 or something. Add the type that we've earned, and then let's add, I don't know, 3 times the tile size or something to keep these bonus boxes a bit, to keep those bonus boxes a bit spaced out. Okay. So when we switch level, we want to add the effects. So now if we run the game and we go exit through the door, then we get, oh, these bonuses are not displayed long enough. So let's go back to our effect class here, and let's say the bonus needs to live for 10 seconds, 160 ticks. Otherwise we don't have a chance to see all these boxes flying up. There we go. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, so all 7 is taking a bit too long. Let's make them spaced out a little bit less. Here, I guess, like this. And yeah, let's make them live for 20 seconds to make sure we have a visual on all 7 bonuses flying through the screen. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, we forgot to also increase, so each bonus is worth 10,000 points. So there we go. So this is awarding the bonuses. So now we need to actually keep track of these bonuses. Now let's do that one by one. So the first bonus is the cameras. So what we'll do is we'll keep the game state in the bonus class here, so that we can query the game state for some stuff. And let's keep track of the bonuses that we've earned. So that's a set. And let's also initialize the set here, empty set. And then let's have a reset method, because we probably have to reset the earned bonuses each time we switch levels as well. So by default, we've earned the health bonus, and we should remove this guy once we get hurt. So let's do that right away. So public void lost health, and then we can say earn.remove the health bonus. All right, and yeah, let's clear all the earned bonuses while we reset, and then let's actually call the reset method here as well. Okay, so if you destroy a camera, then what we should do is public void camera destroyed. And then we should check the level, all the actives. So if there is no, so active get class is a camera. and it cannot be active anymore. So if it's if the level contains no camera classes that are active, then we've destroyed everything. So then we can say earned.add the camera bonus. All right, so that is the camera. So the health we just did as well. If we lost health, then we remove it. So the acme as well. So let's just do here, acme destroyed. It's the same thing. Missiles we cannot do. Duke, so picking up letters. So let's keep track of the letters that we're picking up. And let's clear that stuff in the reset as well. So letters is a new string builder. And then here we can say public void, I don't know, add letter. And then character letter. Here we can say letters dot append letter. And then if the letters equal Duke, then we will say that we have earned the Duke bonus. Okay, and snake and bunny we cannot do either, but it's going to be more of this type of stuff. So I think we can make a nice little method for these as well. So private Boolean non-active of a certain class, active type. And then we can take this here and return this. And then here we'll replace this with active type. And then here we can just say if non-active acme.class, we can say that we've earned the acme bonus. And here we can say non-active camera class. Then we've earned the camera bonus. All right, so let's go over to our camera active. And yeah, here, let's flag this guy to false. And then here we can just say state get a bonus. All right, I think we need to add a getter for that. So here we have bonus. So let's just create a getter here, get bonus. And then here we can just invoke, okay, we've destroyed the camera, so check if we earned the bonus. And same goes with active, acme. If this guy lands and gets disactivated, then check for the acme destroyed bonus. All right, so the health lost, we need to go into Duke. Where is Duke? Here is Duke. Yeah, so normally I would say here in the hurt method, we should just tell the bonus class like, hey, we need to flag this guy that the health bonus has been lost. But we don't have access to the state here in this hurt method. So what I'll do for now is just in the update method here, I'll just assume that if the invincibility timer is running, that we've lost some health here. There we go. Alternatively, we could just check if health is less than max health. Then we can just say like, hey, we've lost our, I guess this is a bit more explicit. So this is our lost health bonus gone. Okay, so let's see, what else do we got? We got the letters as well. So let's go to our letter item here. And then here we can say state get bonus dot add letter. And then we need to keep track of the actual letter here. So private character C. This.c is C, and then let's add the letter C. And then if the bonus is earned Duke, so we've got all the letters, then the points that we're getting is going to be 10,000 rather than default of 500. All right, so that is that. Let's see. So this bonus now requires the game state as an argument, so there we pass it in. And yeah. I think this will keep track of the bonuses. Now I'm not going to demo all of them, but now we've now earned the no health lost bonus because we spawned at the exit and we did not take any damage. So let's see if we get a single bonus here. Okay, so we're still getting all the bonuses because I forgot to update the is earned thing here. So here we can say earned.contains type. All right, so now if I go through the exit here, I should just earn the bonus that says like, hey, you did not lose any health. And that is bonus number 2. And there we go, we got it, 10,000 points. Okay, yeah, let's reload the game and let's see if we can earn a different bonus. D-U-K-E, okay, that's 10,000 points. So it looks like it got flagged as we've earned that bonus. And yeah, I've been dropping a lot of Acme signs, so let's go to the start of the level as well and drop that last sign and yeah, see if we earned a couple of other bonuses now. I think this Acme sign actually fell already. Yeah, there we go. Okay. All right. So let's go. Let's see. Did we get some bonuses? So we got bonus number 2 and 3 and 5. So bonus number 2 is the health, 3 was the Acme signs, and 5 was the Duke letters. So yeah, that is working. So now when you switch levels, yeah, you get some bonus points assigned. Now we're going to get some more bonuses now again if we go to the exit, because we still need to reset these bonuses. So yeah, let's do that and then wrap up the episode. So where's the game state? So here when we reset the level, we of course want to say bonus.reset. When we switch the level, we do not always want to reset the bonus because we need it when we go to the intermission level. So we need to do it on reset and when we go to the level after the intermission. Alternatively, we could reset it here. Sorry, here. So when we reset levels and when we go to the next level, because here we'll have spawned the bonuses and then they'll reset. Okay, so now I'm getting the life bonus number 2, and now I'm getting the life bonus again number 2, of course. All right, so last thing, I guess what we need to do in switch level is also resetting the effects. And I guess we should reset the bolts as well. Bolts.clear, spawns.clear. Okay, so that does it for today. You know, we can exit the level, we can earn some bonus points, and yeah, on to level 2. Now to really complete level 1, we still have the sound to do and the helpful secret tips. So I think in next episode we will work on the message boxes displaying various pop-up messages. So yeah, hopefully you can join me for that one. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments down below. If you like the series, then please drop a like and a subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Laters.